Hey guys, this is Sasha with Arminco Inc. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Another thing that's important when you're space planning, layout, floor planning, and just to reiterate guys, when you're talking to an architect or designer, you may hear floor plan, you may hear space plan, you may hear layout. All of this jargon is all pretty much the same thing. Test fit even, if you're talking to like a broker or building. It's all the same thing. It's basically, again, that skeletal frame of the location of your rooms, hallways, basically the minimal information needed to start architecture and engineering. So these are just a couple of tips and tricks. We're going to be doing a ton of videos like this, talking about what we go through with patients. We might even have examples in the future. Definitely like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Check out our website also, www.armincoinc.com. Our portfolio has a ton of cool images. Reach out to us, even if you want just examples of floor plans. I get a ton of clients who call me in and say, can you just show me a 2,500 square foot pediatric dentistry plan? No problem. We've got, I'd say probably 400 to 500 examples that we can show at any given time. So please check us out and look out for the next video.